Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today that is September 12th, 2022. So I have taken a trade. So I have taken only a single trade. So that is also from a banking sector, and this stock you can see on the screen. So that is ICICI Bank. So before speaking about the stock, let's discuss the sector. So what it has done. So this was today's chart. Today's candles starts from here and ends here, and here you can see. So uh, it uh, was making bullish momentum, and then was onto the sideways. So accordingly I got a chance of taking an entry in ICICI Bank. So after formation of this candles, I thought of taking an entry in ICICI Bank. So you can see confusion candle, so along with bullish candle. So in 5 minutes time frame, so I looked for taking an entry. So my entry price was at 905.50, 905.50, and it got executed around 11:34. So in this candle, trade got executed, and entry price was at 905.50. I have placed my stop loss at 904, at the below of this candle, exactly at below of this candle. I have placed my stop loss, but uh, I think there was some data manipulation or what. I don't know the exact reason, but it hit my stop loss. Here you can see in the chart, right? It never touched 904. So after this swing formation, it never touched 904. This you can see, right? It came till 904.30, but my stop loss was at 904, and my stop loss got hit uh, at 903.80. My stop loss triggered at 903.80, but if you see in the chart, it never touched my stop loss. uh, so that got executed around 12:07 p.m. somewhere. So in this candle, uh, my trade got my trade hit stop loss, but here you can see, right, this candle low is at 904.55, but I don't know the reason why it hit my stop loss. In the chart also you can clearly see that it never hit my uh, stop loss. Yeah, so if not, it at least had given me 1:1 ratio. So I did not see my P&L. I did not even check the trade. I was completely uh, observing the chart only. So yeah, so that is all for today. See you in the next video. And one thing, I'll also post the taken trade. So I'll share the screenshot. Please go through it. Please go through the timeline. So the time which it got executed, even though it uh, did not hit my stop loss. So yeah,